Welcome to the Maruti Suzuki Smartplay dock tutorial series. In this video, we'll take you through voice commands. Let's begin. Whether you are on the home screen or in the navigation screen, you will always find a microphone icon at the bottom right. Tap the mic icon to activate voice commands. You will see a voice command prompt on the screen. You can activate various functions using voice commands. Let's try them. Play FM. Navigate to India Gate. Call home. Music, navigation, contacts all can be accessed using voice commands. You can find the whole list of voice commands in the settings menu when the app is not docked. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Drive safe.